안녕하세요 여러분, Amul입니다. Today I am going to tell you how to tell timing in Korean language. For this you need to learn all the Korean numbers which has two parts, Sino-Korean numbers and second is native Korean number. So kindly watch those videos and come over here. So now let's get into it. Sigan, Sigan, Sigan mean time. Sigan means time. Si is used for time. Used for time, only time. For example, Han si, Han si, Han si. Second, do si, say si. Okay, it's gua, gua. Gua means ant. Okay. Second is bun. Bun, 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 si. Okay, it's used for minutes. Okay, it's used for minutes. For minutes, you have to use only the Sino-Korean numbers. For example, bun, bun, gwa, bun. Okay, for C, for time you have to use only the native Korean numbers, and for bun you have to use only the Sino-Korean numbers. Okay, now let's go to for timings. Han, Han, si, Hana, Han, si, do, si, say, si. Okay, then ne, si, then dasot, dasot, si. Yosot, yosot, si. Then gop, gop, si, gop, si, gop, si. Then yodol, yodol, si. The BF sound you can skip this word. Just you can write yodol. Okay, you can skip this BF sound. Okay, then aho, ahop, si. Okay, 9 o'clock. Then your she. Okay, then for 11, your han, si. Your han si. Your han si. Your han si. Then for 12, your do si. Your do si. Your do si. Okay, han si, do si, say si, ne si, dasot si, yosot si, ilgop si, yodol si, you can skip this biop sound. So you can write this also, yodor. Just yodor. Ahopsi, yorsi, your hanasi, your hansi, your dusi. Okay. Now let's move on to some timings. Okay. First 3 and 9. Okay. How can you write this in Korean? First, you need write native Korean numbers. Okay, native. For 3, it's say si. Okay, say si. Then 9 for Sino-Korean number. Okay, for Sino-Korean number is gu, bun. Bun is minutes. Okay. Bun is used for minutes only. Okay. Second, 421. 421. So what's the word for 4? Yes, it's nesi. Okay. Nesi 21. Okay. Il sip il bun. Okay, these are the Sino-Korean numbers. Okay, il sip il. Okay, third one 560. Okay, now for 5 it's dasot C. Dasot C. Then for 16 it's is sip yuk bun. Okay, sip yuk bun. Dasot C, sip yuk bun. 16 560. Fourth 730. Okay, now for 7 it's il go. Okay, il go C. Il go C. For 30 is some sip. Okay, some sip bun. Okay, otherwise you can write only ban. Okay, ban. Ban is half. Ban is half only. Okay, so you can easily write ilgopsi ban. Ilgopsi ban. Whenever it's 30, 730 or 830, 1230, you can write ban. Ban. Ilgopsi ban. Yodorsi ban. Okay. Now 11. For 11 is your han si. Okay, your han si. Now for 40 is, what's the word for 40? 4 is sa and o. Sib. Sasib bun. Okay. For 30 only you have to write only ban. Okay. Now 1220. So your do see, il sip bun. Okay. Are you getting this? What I am talking to you? What I am talking? For timings 3 and 9 minutes. Okay. Say C. For numbers you have to write native Korean numbers, and for minutes you have to write only Sino-Korean numbers. For 421 ne si. For 4 is ne si. Il sip il. Okay. E sip il. Okay. And bun. Then 516 dasot si sip yuk bun. Okay. Now for 7:30, just need to write Ir Gopsi Samsip Bun or Ban. Okay, so you can write Ir Gopsi Ban. Whenever it's 30, whenever it's 30, 7:30, 8:30, 9:30, you have to write only Ban. Samsip, Ir Gopsi Ban, Yodor Si Ban, Ahop Si Ban. Okay, clear? 11:40. Yor Hansi. Yor Hansi, which means 11. Sa Sibun. Sa Sibun. 40. Okay, then 12:20. Yor Dusi. Yor Dusi. Yor Dusi. E Sibun. E Sibun. Okay. Now let's move on to O John. O John. Okay, O John means AM. Okay, AM. And Ohu. Ohu is PM. Okay, after 12 you have to use only Ohu, and before 12 we have to use O John. O John. O John, and it's O who. O who. O who. Now let's move on to time duration. Time duration, Sigan. Sigan, which means time. So for Sigan, it has two parts. First, it goes for time. Okay. Then B, it goes for major words. Hours. Okay. For example, Hansigan. Hansigan. Okay. Hansigan. Then Dusigan. Dusigan. Then Sesigan. Sesigan means 1 hour. 1 hour, 2 hours, and 3 hours. Clear? Sesigan. Okay. And it goes on till 12. Okay. Now for over 20 hours, both pure, which means native, Gwa Sino-Korean numbers can use. Okay. For example, your do si gan. Okay. Okay. Your do si gan. Your do. It's native Korean number, isn't it? Then for in Sino you can use is it, sigan. Understood? Now let's move on to last part, minute duration. Minute duration. Bun. Bun. 10 minutes. Sip bun. Okay. Sip bun. For minutes you have to use only Sino-Korean numbers, and for hours you have to use only the native Korean numbers, which is pure numbers. Half an hour. Half an hour. Again half 30. So some sip bhan. Sorry, bun. Okay. Some sip bun. Okay. An hour, 20 minutes. An hour, which means 1 hour. So Hansigan and 20 minutes. Okay. So E sip sip. Yes. E sip bun. E sip bun. Okay. Then 8 hours. 8 hours. Your Yodor. You can skip this BF sound and you can write only Yodor. Okay, Yodor, Yodor Sigan. Sorry. Yodor Sigan. Yodor Sigan and half. Okay, again half means 30 again. Bhan. Okay, Yodor Sigan Bhan. Bhan. Okay, 12 hours. 12 hours and a half. Again 12 hours. Okay, 12 hours. Yodosi gun. Yodosi gun and a half. It means again 30 bhan. Okay, 10 minutes. Sibbun. Sibbun. Half an hour. Some sibbun. Some sibbun, because half it's 30. Whenever it's 5:30 or 6:30, you have to use only dasot ban. Okay, an hour and 20 minutes. An hour, it means 1 and 20 minutes. Hansigan isibbun. Hansigan isibbun. Isibbun. Okay, 8 hours and a half. 8 hours and a half. Yodor Sigan Ban. Yodor Sigan Ban. Okay, 12 hours and a half. Again 30. Yodosi Sigan Ban. Okay, Yodosi Sigan Ban. So hey everyone, hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more new videos. Bye.